But yeah, it was it was fun experience to do. Well, hello there guys, another day, another vlog. Well, it's not actually another day, it's the same day as the previous vlog, but I had to cut it into two pieces because otherwise it would be too long and no one would actually watch it. So yeah, that's the truth behind that. And I'm on vacation from my work, so yeah, that's kinda nice. But there's also kind of a bummer or problems, I can say. First 2 days of my vacation was fucking shitty weather. It was raining all day long, and as a bonus I ended up driving a tractor. So yeah, I felt like a farmer, man. It was insane. I actually had a great time because once a year for one bloody day it's actually kind of fun. I have some videos from that as well. I'm not sure if I'm gonna post it somewhere on YouTube or TikTok, or I don't know. It's so weird, and I felt so weird actually filming it. But yeah, it was it was fun experience to do. Let's go. After a long time not doing that, but 2 days are fucking gone. There was fucking rain. I fucking hate that shit. And now finally some sunshine, so I'm gonna make good use of it and do some vlogs. I don't know, waiting for the gloves, that's a disgusting topic. I'm gonna do one more one more round. This is kind of fun. Maybe I should just vlog the shit out of this of the circle, man. That would be actually pretty funny. It's beautiful weather today, not too hot, not too cold. It's a perfect spot between the two. I'm kinda wondering if I should get another bike. I mean, I had 2 bikes before, but I sold one because I wasn't sure if I can actually ride both of them enough. And it also had a slight mechanical problem, which I was kind of lazy to solve anyways. So yeah, I get rid of my first bike. It was a Supermoto Squarna, and I ended up with just one bike, this R6. And yeah, I kind of wonder if should I get like MT-09 just for because I kind of like the sound of the engine, or another Supermoto, maybe, not sure. I have to think about this shit because it's kind of a lot of money, man. We'll see about that. There's time. I have time. And there's also winter coming, slowly, but it's coming. Man, it's like I'm like Game of Thrones, dude. Winter is fucking coming, and yeah, winter is not gonna be fun for me because with motovlogging in winter, dude, I'm gonna have to get like some kind of enduro shit, or I don't know what the fuck I'm going to do. That's gonna be interesting. Maybe I should start save some money for the bike I can use during the winter times, because otherwise I'm fucking fucked. So yeah, I don't know man about the bikes. I mean, I want them fucking all, but it's so expensive, so expensive. I'm gonna have to do some research about bikes. The supermotos, I'm kinda inclined to that, because that was fun. Super solid hooligan bike, and that's what I love. Also, I have some gear already that I can use, like this suit. I have the helmet for the supermoto, so yeah, that would be a plus. So let me know if I should get another bike. And with all that said, peace, see you next time.